So what happened was that they didn't know it was a 24-volt system, so they connected the battery. It was 4 batteries, so they connected the batteries in series, and that gave them 48 volts. So the moment they powered the systems, the inverter blew up. All right, so that's why it's always very important. The first thing you do is to check the voltage of the inverter to ensure that this is the particular voltage of the system. So if it's a 48-volt system, you connect all your batteries. If you have 12 batteries, you connect them in series. So if it's a 24-volt system, you'll definitely have to connect 2 in series, then you put the rest in parallel. All right, so to ensure that you don't have that type of situation. So it was really crazy because that incident happened out of town. So we had to bring the solar system, we had to bring the inverter back to Lagos to have it fixed. And of course, I was lucky because it was still under warranty. It was a brand new inverter, and the support system for the brand, they didn't complain. They just took it in and they had it repaired.